creating maps or dictionaries. So what dictionary means, it's a key value pair. So I'll say 1 comma 1 colon Monday comma 2 colon Tuesday. So what we basically have over here is a key value pair. So if I print Dict, it's going to show me like 1 comma. Whereas in list and sets, it was like 1 Monday, 2 Tuesday. It would be looked at like individual element. Here you have a key value pair where key is the 1 and Monday is the value. So if you want to access a particular index or value, you will say pass the key value. It will give you the actual value of it. You can also iterate through it. You can say like print X, it will print the keys for you. And if you give print Dict X, it will print the values for you, right? Because it's the index that you're printing. Okay. Now the another way to do it is you can also say in dict dot keys. So this will iterate through the keys. Same thing. And now if you give it like values, so it's going to give you the values. So there are these ways you can iterate through this. And basically, if you want to add to this, you have to say dict. Say if you want to give like a new value to this, or I'll say dict 3 because the value doesn't exist. So if you see, dict 22 has got added to it. So very simple way to add values to it. Similarly, you can also pop the values, which is like deleting a value. So it's just going to delete that. Okay. So an important tool, another important data structure is dictionary. So please practice this and then we